Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. So this one divided by this one, we have number 1 sin x squared divided by sin x. We have sin x in here. So this one that is about cosecant of x. So the integration of this one that is about ln of the absolute value of tan of x over number 2. And now we need to focus on this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to cosh x. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. This one we change for u. Sin x dx we change for du. The integration of this one we have negative 1 over u. About u that is about cosh x. So this one that is about this one. So negative and negative, we have positive. This is the end. Thank you for watching.